Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr.Md.Misbahul. Today I will demonstrate how to repair a tendon. The ruptured tendon ends are exposed within the paratendon and any frayed ends are trimmed. Then tether a tendon end to the paratendon with a hypodermic needle. Here you see the hypodermic needle. Then tether the other end with another hypodermic needle. Then gently lift up one tendon end with forceps. Here forceps have not been shown for clarity. Then thread the needle from A to B. Then loop the suture around. Then thread the needle horizontally through the tendon to the other side. Then loop the suture around and reinsert the needle to the tendon side just above. Then thread the needle through so it exits out the tendon end. Then cut the needle off the thread and pull the suture through equally at both ends. Then gently lift up the other tendon edge using forceps. Here forceps has not been shown for clarity. Then thread a new suture through the tendon edge from A to B. Then loop the suture around and reinsert the needle to the tendon side just below. Then thread the needle horizontally through the tendon to the other side. Then loop the suture around and reinsert the needle to the tendon side just above. Thread the needle through so it exits out the tendon end. Then cut the needle off the suture and pull the suture through equally at both ends. Then tie one blue suture end to the opposing green suture end, thus bringing the tendon edges together. Cut the excess thread. After that, tie the remaining two suture ends, bringing the remaining tendon end together. Then disengage the hypodermic needles from the paratendon and twist the tendon around so it is upside down. Then begin the silver scewed epitendon repair using a smaller gauge suture. Thread the needle from A to B. Now thread the needle on the other side from A to B. Then thread the needle from A to B on this side. Then repeat the maneuver on the other side, again A to B. Then continue this pattern till the whole back side of the tendon is repaired. Then partially disengage one of the hypodermic needles from the paratendon. Then partially disengage the other hypodermic needle. Then pull the suture end which does not have the needle attached under the tendon, thus untwisting it. Then continue the silver scewed repair with the needle and threading it from A to B. Again thread A to B on the other side. then thread A to B. Then continue this pattern till the whole front side of the tendon is repaired. Tie the remaining ends of the silver skewl repair and cut the ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and do share. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.